Well, the price on beef has skyrocketed lately. So we are going to do an experiment today where we are going to make a carpaccio with an alternative cut of beef instead of tenderloin. We are going to use a piece of hanger steak that we have left over from some other cooks we did lately.
And we love it. I mean, we are totally hooked on that.
Very good. So this small piece here, the grain runs this way. Maybe you cannot see it, but it does. And we've had it in the freezer for half an hour, 20 minutes, half an hour, just to firm up a little bit so that we can cut it into, I would say, probably four pieces here.
It cuts very nicely now.
Yeah, it's really nice.
That meat is so tender, so delicious.
And it has a very deep flavor actually compared to
it's a working muscle. So.
It is. So one of these goes into a Ziploc bag that we have cut open, and then we are gonna carefully pound it out. Till it's nice and thin.
And it has a bit of a marbling.
It has a bit of marbling here, so there's gonna be good flavors in this. And the next one. Well, it certainly looks good, but different from tenderloin, that's for sure.
Well, that's the point, to try a new thing.
Absolutely. So, we're also going to dress it up a little bit differently than the traditional rocket Parmesan kind of deal. So we start out with some lemon juice. Just a tad of lemon juice on all of them here. That will cure it a little bit. Oops, there was a seed. Get rid of that. And a drizzle of olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil. Just a drizzle here. And then we're gonna give it some crushed red peppercorn, which is actually one of the things that we also seen and done lately on ceviche. And it gives a nice touch.
Adds a lot of aroma.
Yeah, it does. And it's not very spicy actually. It's not like...
it's kind of sweet.
Yeah. But it gives nice aroma. But of course, don't overdo anything here. And then we're going to give it some shaved Parmesan. I'm not gonna spread it around. I'm gonna leave it like pile here in the middle. So people, they can take as much cheese as they want for their nice bite.
Yeah, I don't like when they serve it sometimes in the restaurant that you don't even see the meat underneath. It's so covered with Parmesan.
Exactly.
Rocket.
And then we're gonna go a little bit different here. We are gonna dress it up with some cilantro. Last time we did do it with basil, which was very nice, by the way.
Yeah.
But we are quite big fans of cilantro here, so I'll dress it up.
We want it fresher.
Exactly. And that gives a fresh flavor. I know some people says it tastes like soap, but I don't get that. No, but it's true. I think it's something with their taste buds. They are wrongly wired. I think that looks sort of pretty. And then the final step here, we're gonna give it a little bit of our nice yogurt dressing. There's a link down below how we make that. It's excellent. But
so more experimenting.
Yeah, more experimenting, but this is really, really delicious and very refreshing. So that about does it. And now we are ready to give this a taste. The moment of truth. So let me get a piece here. It's definitely tender. With cilantro, a little bit of cheese here. That needs to go on top. That looks good. Whoops. Have to do it like this then. And some sauce to go with it. That's a bite, everything included from the plate. Super tender, like super. And a very different flavor than tenderloin actually. It's perfect, it's really, really good, and I would say this is a stand-up alternative to tenderloin. You should try it.